chair looks harmless, simple, quiet, almost lazy. But don't let that fool you, because today, that same chair is about to turn into your battlefield. This is not one of those easy routines you scroll past and forget. This is 5 seated exercises to make belly fat cry hard. No jumping, no running, no excuses. Just you, your core, and 5 minutes that can change everything. Now imagine this. You sit down, back straight, feet flat on the floor. Your hands rest lightly beside you. It feels easy, almost too easy. Exercise 1. Seated knee tucks. You lean back slightly, just enough to feel your core engage. Now, pull your knees toward your chest and slowly extend them back out. Again and again. At first, it feels manageable, but within seconds, your abs start waking up. That tightness you feel, that's your core firing. Chris level discipline isn't about comfort. It's about control. Keep your movements slow. Don't rush, because the slower you go, the harder your core works. And that belly fat, it starts to feel the pressure. No rest, because fat doesn't wait, and neither do we. Exercise 2. Seated bicycle crunch. Lean back again. Lift your feet slightly. Now, twist your body. Right elbow to left knee. Left elbow to right knee. Back and forth, like a bicycle. But here's the secret. Don't just move. Twist. Feel your obliques squeeze with every rep. That side-to-side motion, that's targeting the stubborn fat around your waist. The part that refuses to go away until today. Because now, you're attacking it directly. Your breathing gets heavier. Your core starts to burn. Good. That means it's working. Now plant your feet again. Hands up. Get ready. Exercise 3. Seated punch twists. Sit tall. Now punch across your body. Left, right, left, right. Twist your torso with every punch. Imagine you're fighting your limits, fighting your excuses, fighting that version of yourself that wants to quit. Each punch drives deeper into your core. Each twist tightens your midsection. This is not just movement. This is controlled aggression. And your belly fat? It's losing the fight. Now comes the moment where most people slow down, where they pause, where they think, maybe I'll stop. But not you, because you didn't come this far to quit now. Exercise 4. Seated leg raises hold. Lean back again. Lift both legs off the ground and hold. That's it. No movement. Just hold. Simple, right? No, because within seconds, your core starts shaking. Your abs scream. Your mind tells you to drop your legs. But this is where change happens. In the hold, in the struggle, in the moment you decide to keep going anyway. Just a little more. Just one final push. Because the last exercise is where everything comes together. Exercise 5. Seated toe touch crunches. Lean back. Lift your legs. Arms extended forward. Now crunch up, reaching for your toes. Then slowly go back, up and down. Every rep tightens your core. Every crunch brings you closer to your goal. This is where the burn peaks, where your abs feel like fire, where your body begs you to stop. But this is also where results begin. And just like that, 5 minutes, done. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. This workout alone won't magically melt fat overnight. There's no shortcut, no secret trick. But when you do this consistently, when you combine it with smart eating, when you push through the burn instead of avoiding it, that's when real change happens. Because belly fat doesn't disappear from comfort. It disappears from effort, from discipline, from showing up even when it's hard. So next time you see a chair, don't think of rest, think of opportunity. Because in just 5 minutes, you can wake up your core. You can challenge your limits. You can take one step closer to the body you want. And one day, you'll sit in that same chair, look down, and realize something has changed. Less fat, more strength, more confidence. All from 5 minutes that you refuse to waste.